Welcome to the fifth lecture on probability and statistics. And in this lecture, we'll study about plotting categorical data. And we will continue this topic because we started it last time. Here, we'll solve an example. In this example, there are different candies of different colors. They are given to us in the form of a raw data. This means it is not structured before. We have to count the unique items, the instances of all the colors, and then we have to plot. The objective is that we have to plot a bar chart and a pie chart. Right. For that, we'll start our work by drawing a structured table first. Right. In the table, we'll have these columns: category, tally, frequency, relative frequency, percent, and angle. This information collected from this raw data will help us to plot bar chart and pie chart. Right. The first item is brown. Telling me we have to count. We'll see how the statisticians count a given instance. Brown. If you're a statistician, you'll count it like brown 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. We have 6 instances of brown here. Statisticians, they count it like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, and the fifth will be the diagonal line to cross it, ensuring that this set contains 5. Count is equal to 5. Since we have 6, we'll have one more vertical line. So this gives us 6. Right. Similarly, the next is green. And we find 3 instances of green here. So we write it 3. Then the next is orange. And we find 3 instances of orange in this table. And we'll keep on counting. You can count it at home. Count it yourself. And yellow. For yellow, we have 2 instances. We have only 2 red candies and 5 blue candies. So we'll count it like 1, 2, 3, 4, and fifth line will cross it. So this set now contains 5. So the frequency would be, how many instances we have? Of course, we have 6, 3, 3, 2, 2, and 5. Relative frequency will be 6 divided by how many candies are there? They are 21 in total. So 6 over 21, 3 over 21, 3 over 21. We have already studied the relative frequency means that for one experimental unit, the frequency of that divided by the total number of observations. We studied that in our last lecture, 5 over 21, and that's all. And the percentage is, of course, relative frequency multiplied by 100. So this is around 28%. This is 14%. This is 14%. This is 10%. This is 10%. This is 24%. And we have already studied this relative frequency multiplied by 360 degrees gives us this angle in degrees. So this is 101 degrees, 50 degrees, 50 degrees, 36 degrees, 36 degrees, 87 degrees. These are approximate values and they sum up to 360 approximately. So now we are ready to draw some charts. For bar chart, we have to plot frequency on y-axis. We already know that. And the number of instances, and these instances are listed on, or experimental units are listed on x-axis. So drawing a bar chart would be simple. Bar chart. We have for brown, the length, the height should be 6. For blue, the height is 5 because we have only 5 instances. For blue, for green and orange, green and orange, we have 3 instances each, and for yellow and red, we have 2 each. This kind of bar chart is also called Pareto chart. Pareto chart is the one in which if we move from left to right, the height keeps on decreasing. So the longest value is on the left hand side, the smallest value is on the right hand side. Right, this is called Pareto chart. So it's a type of bar chart. And finally, we have to draw the pie chart. For that, we need these two columns, the percentage column and the angle column. So for pie chart, we have to draw a circle. We can start from 0 degrees or from 90 degrees or any way we want. So let's start it from 0 degrees. So first we have 101 degrees. This is 90. So this is 100. So 101 would be somewhere here. And it is 28%. And it refers to brown, color brown. And then we have 14%, 14%, 14%, and 50 degrees. So 110 plus 50, 160 degrees. So this is 14%, and this color is green. And then we have 50 degrees, 160 plus 50 is 210, somewhere here. This is orange, and this is also 14%. And then we have 36 degrees. So 210 plus 30, 240, and then 270, around 280. So this is 10%, and this is yellow. This is also 10%, and this is red, and this is 24%. The color is blue. So this is how we have divided 360 degrees. A sector of 101 degrees is reserved for brown color. This is brown color. This is green color. This is orange. This color is yellow. This color is red. And this color is blue. So we have reserved a sector of 101 degrees from starting from here. This is 90, this is 101. So 101 degrees, a sector of 101 degrees for brown color, a sector, and then a sector of 50 degrees for green, and then a sector of 50 degrees for orange, and then a sector of 36 degrees for yellow, and then a sector of 36 degrees for red, and finally a sector of 24 of a sector of 87 degrees for blue. And these are the percentage of this whole circle that is taken by each and every color of candies. So that's all for this lecture, and we will keep on studying more about charts in our upcoming lectures. Thank you.